Do you have hiccups that just won't go away? Or are you prone to hiccups and just want a solution when the time comes, or know someone that suffers from hiccups? Well, I have the solution for you, as if I'm selling an infomercial. So I've suffered from hiccups for all my life, and stubborn ones at that last for hours and hours. And this is the number one trick that I've found that gets rid of them instantaneously. It's a little bit weird and can be a little bit messy, but all you need is a glass of water, wide open mouth, or opening at the top is preferable. And you want to fill it up pretty high to the top, then it won't really work. So you want to drink on the opposite side of the glass and tilt the cup this way instead of this way. It's pretty weird, but this is what it looks like. And my chin is already wet from this, so this is the kind of messy part. And you're kind of doing the slurping action, and you're tilting it this way as you're drinking on this side. And as you can see, you kind of have to bend over a little bit, and it's kind of similar to how dogs drink water. And you only need to do like a few sips, and for me, they're gone instantaneously. And I hope I solved your hiccups. Now that they're gone, in case you were wondering the reason why we get hiccups, and of course there are scientific reasons why we get hiccups. You know, our diaphragm muscles just get irritated or something, like usually anxiety or stress, or a certain food that we eat, or when we're hungry or too full or have eaten too fast, or there's a change in the room temperature or just the temperature. All of these things can cause hiccups. Now, I kind of have a funny story for you, and now I'm going to get into more of the metaphysical, spiritual reason why you might get the hiccups. So I actually got the hiccups before I was even born, while I was still inside the womb. And this story is meant to demonstrate perhaps the metaphysical reason why we get hiccups. So while my mom was pregnant with me, she had a presentation to do in a meeting one day at work. And she was wearing this silk blouse, and she was very pregnant, maybe 6 or 7 months pregnant. I'm not sure, but something like that. She was very, very pregnant. And so, of course, she was nervous. And then in the middle of the meeting, the top of her shirt starts doing this, because I'm hiccuping inside the womb. And my thought is that I was picking up on her nervous energy, and it gave me hiccups. So one of the reasons why you might get the hiccups is because of anxiety or nervousness. We can store a lot of when we get nervous, or when we're in fight or flight or survival mode, all of our energy goes to our, most critical organs, and to our solar plexus. And you can just watch this, like whenever you get cold or nervous, this area, at least for me, really tenses up. I can feel it. I wasn't always so aware of it, but it's something that you might want to just take notice. And so that stress can cause the hiccups. And you want to also think about that phrase, we had a few hiccups along the way. So these are disruptions, these are obstacles and challenges and unfinished business. So getting the hiccups could indicate that there is something unresolved inside of you. And this happened to me A week ago when I had the hiccups and they wouldn't go away. And it was because I had unresolved things. And for a really long time, I struggled with communication, so I would stuff it down. And so hiccuping is kind of like coughing in a way. You know, coughing is your body trying to release things and get attention to things. And I think hiccuping is a similar symptom of that, of trying to resolve some kind of inner conflict by communicating it with someone else or just resolving it within yourself. So, number one, there might be some anxiety or stress. Two, you might have some kind of unresolved issue that you are needing to resolve. So there's no more bumps along the way or hiccups along the way. And of course, three, it could just be a scientific reason. You ate too fast, or you're hungry, or you're too full, or there was a drastic change in temperature. There was some kind of irritant that irritated your diaphragm and started to cause you to hiccup. So I really hope that this helped. And if you ever get the hiccups or see someone with the hiccups, tell them about this trick of drinking on the opposite side of the cup. So I hope that this resolves all your hiccup challenges and worries and frustrations, because I know hiccuping can be so exhausting. So anyway, I'm sending you all of my love. Take care. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. If you're new to my channel, I do card readings with cards. Wait, what did she say? With cards, obviously. Okay, that's what I thought. Keep going. I do not do the normal relationship, is he thinking about you type of thing. My content is all spiritually based for growing you and learning so that you can manifest your dream life, and also, you know, just so I can be a comfort to you through any difficult times that you are going through. So if that is of interest to you, if you're really into astrology and tarot and oracle readings and going on that inner journey inside of you, then feel free to check out the links down below that I've listed, such as the celestial surge video that I did for the energies that are going on right now that your angels want you to know about, Lionsgate, and what's ahead with this Virgo season. And oh my gosh, this is your sign. Yes, whatever you've been needing to know, this is your sign to go for it now. And maybe it is to subscribe to this channel. Yes. All right. Thank you again so much for watching. I am sending you all of my love. Take care.